Good day everyone. Today's video we are going to be talking about Trust Wallet. We are going to be discussing on how to create a multiple account with Trust Wallet by using one same Trust Wallet app. Many of my subscribers have been sending me message on how they can create multiple account with Trust Wallet. Today I have decided to upload a video on how you can do that. So if you know you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube, hit the notification and share, like, in case anytime I upload any new video, you will be first to updated. So Trust Wallet is a non-custodial wallet that give full access to their user. When you have a Trust Wallet account, you are in control of your Trust Wallet. So before you create a Trust Wallet account, there's always a password given to you, which is called the 12-phrase word. That 12-phrase word is not meant to share with anybody, because anybody that have access to that 12-phrase word automatically will have access to your account. So I'm doing this video because of most of my listeners that always send me message said they want to create a multiple account with Trust Wallet and they don't know how to go about it for free airdrop. And using your personal account that you save your funds in for airdrop is a very risky thing because of hackers and fishy link that all those hackers always send out there. So it's good to always create a separate wallet for free airdrop. So now, to create a multiple account with Trust Wallet, what you need to do when you log into your Trust Wallet account, the first thing you see, it will log you in to where you see all those coins and your funds that you have. The next thing, under the menu, you come down under the menu, you see wallet, see discover, you see browser and setting. Then just click on setting. Another menu will definitely pop out. So under this menu at the top, you see wallets. So what you need to do is to click on wallets. Just click on wallets. So when you click on wallets, a menu will also pop out. You can see this menu. I have up to 4-5 different wallets on this very menu because I've already created different accounts. So now we are going to create another different account that we can be still logging in through this app. So you will see wallet at the up and there is a plus icon by the right side of it. Then you just click on that plus. Then when you click on the plus icon, a menu will pop out. Under the menu, you see it says private and secure. Private key never leave your device. So after that, you see create a new wallet, and the second option is I already have a wallet. Assuming you already have a wallet that maybe you format your system and you want to re-import it, you click on I already have a wallet. Now we are going to create a new brand wallet. So you click on create a new wallet. So when you click on create a new wallet, it says back up your wallet now. So after that backup your wallet 12 now, say in the next step you will see secret phrase 12 words that allow you to recover a wallet. Mind you, I've explained that 12 phrase word for you at the first stage. So he said, if I lost my secret phrase, my phone will be lost forever. I hope you see that. If I expose or share my secret phrase to anybody, my phone can get stolen. I hope you understand that too. So Trust Wallet support will never reach out to ask for it. He said even Trust Wallet support customers will never ask you for your 12-phrase word in case of anything, not to talk of any other person. That 12-phrase word is personally made for you, the owner of that account only. If anybody mistakenly have access to it, definitely that person also have access to your account. So what you need to do from here is just to tip these three box. Just tip them. You understand all this. Then the next thing is telling us to continue. We will continue. So it has brought out option where we can now copy our 12 phrase word. I don't know maybe if you are seeing it, but this is my personal 12 phrase word. You don't need to see. So after I completed copy the 12 phrase word that the system sent to me, so I have to re-enter it again to confirm continue. The moment I click on confirm continue, so the computer will bring you to this option telling you that your account is created successful. So now we have created another account adding to the one we already have with Trust Wallet. Assuming we have one Trust Wallet, just one, then we have created another one making two, but because I already have up to 7 before, so I have created another one now, so it's making like 8. So let's go to my setting to confirm this different wallet that I just created, and then we will log in back to see this account again. You can see it's just 3 coins. You can decide to add any coin you want to add, but it's just 3 coins because it's a new account. So now let's launch back to where we can identify each account on our wallet. So it's setting, then wallets box. So you can see the different wallets now. This is the one I just created, which is wallet 8. So let's assume I want to launch this particular one for any use. Then I'll just click on this. This is it.